Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet, and this is Vlogmas Day 23. Thanks for joining me in the yarn room again today. I appreciate y'all dropping by. I don't have a lot to talk about. Did not get too much done yesterday. I just had other stuff I had to do. I didn't get as much crochet time as I anticipated. But I did crochet. I actually spent a lot of time. I just didn't come up with a lot of finished products. But I did finish the bear. I'm calling her, I couldn't decide if it was teddy bear. I'm calling her cherry bear because she's a girl, because she's wearing pink. I don't know what Avery is going to name her, but for our purposes, she's Terry Bear. So Terry's first outfit is completed because I made the diaper, the bib, which you've seen before, and then I decided to do the, instead of a hat, I just did a headband with a flower on it because when Avery and her sister were babies, her mother always put those headbands with the big huge flowers on them. So that's what she got. And here is her baby bottle. So this is the first accessory for Terry. Oh, and the diaper. Look at that. How cute is that? I did not find the bigger diaper pins that I had. Well, they're not really diaper pins, they're stitch markers, but they were a light pink, so I just kept these ones in. I mean, they do look like diaper pins anyway. These are the clover pins, I think. And they're the exact same pink, so yay. So that's what she's getting on her diaper. Now the pattern for the bear and the accessories all comes from, and I've showed you the book already, Dress Up Amigurumi. And you can make the animals with or without clothing. So if there's the first original pattern in the book calls for you to make them with their body as a t-shirt. And they show this t-shirt or a striped t-shirt. Or you can make the animal naked, which is what I made mine. And so then you get like this pattern and a little belly button, which I opted for the naked because if I had dressed her in a, colored, whatever color shirt, and then I wanted to put this on, then the, shirt shows, and the patterns are really easy to follow. I haven't had any issue. So I've decided that I kind of want to make a lot of the patterns, and there's several patterns in the book. All of these, there's like 25 patterns if you include the two different shirts. I mean 27 if you include the two different shirts. And so there's like a graduate, and there's a, look at the, Halloween costume, and there's a sailor, and there's, look at this one, a knight. How adorable. Hers is a girl, so the knight isn't, I mean, not that the knight can't be a girl. And maybe she would pretend he's a boy if she wanted that outfit. There's a lot of them that I think are super adorable, and I want to make specifically. I want to have as many of them made for her for Christmas as I can. So I'm just going to pick out my favorites and start with those, and then work from there. I am going to do the jammies, I think, next. This is a bigger one of the jammies. I may or may not make the hat. I'm a little bit worried about doing the hat, because you got to make the ears fit. And what if I don't have my ears in the right place, like she told you how many rows, but not this way. I wasn't sure really where to put it. And I have to read through one of the patterns, but because it's a baby, jammies go well, I think. So, and I think the jammies are super cute. And I do love the hat with the jammies. So, and maybe I'll make the hat on the knitting machine. No, my knitting machine would be way too big. I couldn't do that. So anyway, I want to make the jammies next, I think. But there's so many adorable little outfits. I kind of just want to make them all. Even the knight. Because, and there's a fireman, and there's a fisherman, and there's a veterinarian, and the veterinarian has a stuffed animal that it comes with. I mean, it's supposed to be a dog, or maybe a pig, I don't know. But I mean, it has a patient. So they have all the cute little accessories, and it's so adorable. So that will be part of Avery's Christmas present. And I showed her dad yesterday. Yesterday? Yeah. And he's like, oh, she's going to be so thrilled with that. So I'm real excited to, you know, have a whole bunch of made accessories for her. And I worked on my test pattern, and I can't show you that, but it's coming right along, and today or tomorrow, hopefully, cross your fingers, I should be able to get it done. I still won't be able to show it to you, but it'll be worth the wait because it's really super cute. Anita does a great job. And then we get to, I worked on my knitting. Here are my needles. Here is my project. So guess what that means? Yep. Thank God I put in a lifeline. So I did the first 15 rows were knit stitch, and I think I did a fabulous job on that. There's sections, and see, I did ruin this yarn over here. There were sections, and so the first section was 14 rows of knit stitch, and then you start section 2. See, I have to show you this. I don't know what to do. I can't rip this out because it's beyond my lifeline. But this, I somehow split that yarn, and now it's all funky right there. But, well, if you pull it tight, it's not so bad. The green line is the lifeline, and I did the 15th row, and I think I did that one okay. And then I went to the 16th row, and I thought I was doing the stitch right. It's a different stitch, and I did it wrong. I think I did it wrong. Because I convinced myself that I did it wrong, I pulled it all out. So this is where I'm back to the 15th row. So I'm not really quite sure how you put the needles back in, if it matters. I don't think it does. I think it just matters which direction you start on it. But before I put the, oh no, I am pulling out my lifeline. Oh my gosh. Ooh, can't do that, can't do that. You lay there and be really good. I have to get a crochet hook. I have to fix that really quick. I'm losing my lifeline. So once, well, now you got to see how wide it actually is off the needles anyway. If I didn't just screw it up and have to start over completely, I was doing something wrong, I think. So I was okay with pulling it apart because it's a practice. You know, it's my first time. I'll be really upset if I have to pull the whole thing apart because my lifeline is coming out. Eeks. So we'll see how that goes. I'll let you know tomorrow. Yesterday I filmed a video that has a giveaway in it, so go watch that and do what it says to do. And Sandy from Crochet, if you do not know my friend Sandy, go jump on the bandwagon. She's wonderful and adorable, and you just gotta love the crap out of her. She's a lot of fun. Her husband George is awesome as well, and he pops into a video every now and again. She commented and wanted to know what a specific yarn is over my shoulder. I think she, let's see if I can get it, was talking, oops, I'm right, ooh, not that one, wait, okay, up, over the wrong way, there we go, that one. I think that's the one you were talking about, Sandy. If it is, that is Karen Big Cakes, Karen Big Cakes in the color Cake Roll. If it's not that one, I don't know which one you're talking about, so you'll have to be more specific. So I did want to get that in on and tell you about that. And there was one other thing. Totally in one ear, out in one side of the brain, and lost it in there. It's rambling around in there somewhere. It was something. Just give me a second. Let's see, I wanted to tell you about the giveaway. I wanted to tell you about the yarn. I wanted to not mess up my project that I think I just messed up. I don't remember. maybe I'll remember for tomorrow's video. But this is a short one because I can't show you everything I did, and I didn't do that much. And then I ripped out some of what I did. So there you go. That's all I have for you today, I think, for Vlogust Day 23. It's late in the day for me. I think I'm a little bit giddy. I'm kind of tired, didn't sleep well last night. This is what happens. So anyway, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing, joining. You know, all those things. And I appreciate you all coming back every single time that you do. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.